As your 2018 residential president, I want to let you guys know that we are ready. This association has created a platform where we are on top of emerging trends. We are on top of the latest technologies. When it comes to legislative issues that affect our housing and our business, we are on the forefront. We have surrounded ourselves with a board of governors unlike no other. They are experts within our industry and leaders as well. We are backed up by a world-class association with world-class associates that help guide this organization and make it the #1 in the nation. With that being said, I want to thank my mother and my father who are here today. Thank you for instilling in me the belief, the confidence, and never giving up on me. I also want to give a shout out to the First Lady of the Residential Board. Thank you for your fierce loyalty and your unwavering support. Last but not least, when I first got my real estate license, one of the first questions that was asked of me was, what is my why? And the why in our industry, brokers use it to really get the best out of an agent, to really find out what makes you tick, to find out what your motivation is. I challenge all you guys this year to go back to your why and remember why we got into this industry, what is our motivation, and make sure we leverage it to make this the best year. Last but not least, I want to thank Dominic, the Dominator, and Alec, the Alligator, for being my inspiration, my motivation, but more importantly, for being my why. Thank you, Miami.